What's up, dudes? Got the Beamer out of the garage. It's absolutely filthy. And I noticed this just now. I mean, it's covered in bird crap. But check how annoying this is. It fell off and I can't find it. So I'm gonna need a new set. But back to the truck. I went ahead and scored a really good condition bed. You guys probably seen the bed that was on the truck previously. That side was all like ripped off. And right now, I did about as all as I could do with that truck. I had it picked up, and I think we came down to the conclusion that it might have been a VATS issue. So I went ahead and I got a VATS deleted PCM. And I'm gonna put the guy's information up on the screen. If anyone's going through this stuff, this guy was awesome. This PCM, I think I got it on sale. As I was talking to him, he posted up a sale. I think it was like 120 bucks or 125 bucks. So we're gonna throw that in, and I'm gonna head over to the truck. Hopefully that gets this thing started so we can start on this project. All right, so basically, as I'm driving to the truck to throw this PCM in at the mechanic, I'm gonna basically tell you what we did. I kind of got the truck. I don't know if you didn't watch the first video. If you did, probably check it out. The guy I bought it from said it was running and driving fine, and they noticed a weak battery on the truck. So I went ahead and put a new battery in it, and when I got it, the intake, like the factory airbox, was cut in half on it. So I went and I got a cheap eBay airbox, whatever it was, Amazon, and it cranks. It just won't start, and it keeps showing the security light. I tried to relearn the procedure like 340 times. It ain't doing nothing. So a lot of guys said you need a VATS deleted PCM. So I tried finding somebody local with HP tuners, willing to pay for credits and stuff. I really didn't get any action, so I was like, alright, I'm done waiting. I'm just gonna order this PCM. So I hit up LSX Solutions on eBay. Dude was super helpful. He even called me. I gave him my number. He called me to help me through the process. And he told me he's pretty sure it's a VAT issue because of the security light showing all the time. So we're on our way there now, and we're gonna try to see if plugging this thing in helps. Because if this truck starts, man, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. Fixed it, I had it coded. Everybody was going crazy about transmission overheating code, but the car is manual. So anyway, back to the regular scheduled programming. You guys done washing Beamer. So let's see what's going on here. Hello. I got the Plus service. Got our guys setting it up. Oh, it's so much better. This thing was filthy. This is driving me crazy. I gotta fix this. Oh god. I don't know how that falls off. I want to repaint these too because they're like, I've never seen that before. I'm going to pull these off and have them powder coated in a couple weeks. It's probably going to be its own video. So we made it back. Made it with the truck. It's at the shop. Waiting to get pulled in. I don't know if I ever showed you. Let me put this in. It's rough. Yeah, see, that's why I bought a new bed. This looks like a fun project car. Look at that. Shot. So hopefully we can get this thing started with that ECU. So it's nice?
Check what's the thing that's making noise right there?
Probably the fan. Yeah.
The fan with what?
It's hitting the...
Okay, no problem. So now we got that shit running. Benny, you got it running. So second thing, what else? The transmission issue, right?
Yeah, let's figure that out.
Yo ya voy para allá, loco. Usted tranquilo que yo nervioso.
Oh, running. So, seeing this on the floor after we started it, looks like it's coming from the trans cooler because it won't let us select any gears. So I think it's low on trans fluid. Yeah. Yeah, I think that one right there is that like not connected? Oh man, that's gunky. Alright, we're gonna get started. Just hopefully I don't gotta put a new trans in it. Alright, so we got the truck started. As you guys seen, the truck was started. Idled like shit, but running. But the trans, now when I got the truck, I park, reverse, neutral, drive all worked because I pulled it in neutral to get it off the trailer and rolled back fine, and once I got it into the spot, I parked it. And now it's leaking transmission fluid at the trans cooler line like I showed you guys, and no gear, like nothing as you hear it. You know when you pull the gear down, I can't hear nothing. Nothing's engaging. I don't know what that could be. So I gotta look into what issue that could be and hopefully take it from there. I mean, I guess I could count this as a win because I didn't honestly think the truck was gonna start. Between me and you, I thought there was no chance. Truck started, so now I'm gonna do some research on that whole situation of why I have 4 neutrals. Maybe somebody who's watching this knows, you can give me some insight. Let's see what else. Oh, update on the BMW. Obviously we're in it, but not much has been going on after that taillight issue. It's really bugging me. I think I might order me some new taillights tonight, and I think I really want to do a drag pack because these Michelins, even in the summer, in like 80 degrees, they don't go anywhere. You just spin. So I think I'm either going to do like a 15-inch conversion, or I may possibly just do a set of R888s on the Apexes, and we'll take it from there.